Alright, we have our question for which we are required to find the value of the algebraic expression as you can see below. So let us have the solution to it. And you are welcome to this presentation. If you are on this channel, kindly subscribe, share and like the video. So as we have the 4 minus the 4 divided by the 4 minus 4. One could come and just get this 4, take away the 4 which gives a 0, then divided by to get this 4 minus 4 which is a 0. And now if this person continues to get the 0 divided by 0, this one gives a math error. It is impossible, and therefore this one makes the answer to be wrong. So the correct answer is not that. Let us have the correct approach of working out this algebraic expression. So as we have in the 4 minus 4 divided by the 4 minus 4. So in here we are going to follow BODMAS, whereby B is standing for brackets, O stands for of, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and then lastly A stands for subtraction. And we have to know that the order of priority of all of this decreases down the group. What does it mean? It implies that when we have the algebraic expression, we need to first consider the brackets. So the brackets are given a first priority, followed by of, division, multiplication. So and sometimes division and multiplication almost have the same priority, these ones. So in here we can see that we don't have the brackets, so we leave that one out. We don't have of, we leave it out, but we have division. That means we can now proceed. It means that we're going to first deal with these two, this and this, amidst the division symbol. So that means our next step, we are going to have the 4 minus this 4. Then this is division symbol. If we change it to multiplication symbol, we therefore get the reciprocal of 4, which comes to be 1 divided by 4, or a quarter. Then minus this 4. After that, we can now here see that this 4 can cancel with this. So we are getting 1. Then the next step, we are remaining with this is 4 minus, here it is 1, then multiplied by 1 minus, we are now on this one, minus 4. So as we proceed simplifying, we are going to have the 4 minus, the 1 multiplied by 1 gives us a 1, then minus the 4. So at this stage, we can see that we have only subtraction. Therefore, the order doesn't matter so long as the sign is the same. We have only one symbol, or we have only subtraction. So I can first take away the 1 from 4, or I can first take away 4 from negative 1. This is what I mean. If I get 4, take away 1, I'm getting a 3, then minus this remaining 4. If I get 3, take away 4. Since 4 is greater than 3, it implies that I'm going to get a negative result. So therefore, 3 is less by 1. So we are getting the result to be negative 1. We can go ahead and conclude that therefore the correct answer to our expression, which is 4 minus 4 divided by the 4 minus 4 equals to negative 1. So this is the correct response to that algebraic expression, but not like the one we did earlier on. So if this video has been of value to you, kindly subscribe to the channel for more videos of the kind. See you again. Goodbye.